You're welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can use Tremendous Visa card. So here's a simple steps by step guide on how you can easily use Tremendous Visa card. So the first thing to do is, after receiving your Tremendous Visa card, check your email for the card details. Then if it's a virtual card, copy the card number, the expiration date and the CVV provided. Then if it is physical card, activate it if required by following the instruction in the email. So go to the website or store where you want to pay and choose the Visa as your payment method. Then enter the card details, which is the number, the expiration date, the CVV at the checkpoint, just like a normal Visa debit credit card. Then make sure the purchase amount does not exceed the balance on your Tremendous Visa card. After that, you have to complete the payment and confirm the transaction. So you can also add the Tremendous Visa card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for easier mobile use. As well, you can track your card balance and transaction from the link provided in your Tremendous reward email, and that's it. So you can now use your Tremendous Visa card anywhere Visa is accepted online or in store, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.